You're watching the Theory of Everything podcast with Tarun.
हाय, मेरा नाम तरुण है। आज आइए बात करते हैं वैक्सीन्स के बारे में। वैक्सीन्स के बारे में अगर समझना है तो ये जानना ज़रूरी होगा कि आखिर इस सब की शुरुआत कैसे हुई थी। बात है 1796 की, जब एडवर्ड जेनर, जो कि एक मशहूर इंग्लिश फिजिशियन और साइंटिस्ट थे, उन्होंने एक 13 साल के बच्चे को इनॉक्यूलेट किया फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम इन द हिस्ट्री ऑफ वैक्सीन्स विद अ वैक्सीन जिसका इन्होंने नाम रखा था वेरियोले वैक्सीने, व्हिच ट्रांसलेट्स टू स्मॉल पॉक्स ऑफ द काउ, यानी कि काउ पॉक्स। और इसको जब इस्तेमाल किया गया तो देखा कि वो बच्चा इम्यून पाया गया विद स्मॉल पॉक्स, which later helped in developing a vaccine for smallpox. This was the first vaccine ever. कहा जाता है कि एडवर्ड जेनर के इस आविष्कार ने इतने सारे लोगों की जान बचाई जितनी और किसी दूसरी चीज़ ने नहीं। वैक्सीन्स अभी भी लोगों की जान बचाने के काम आती है और बहुत सारी है। आजकल खास तौर पे जिन वैक्सीन्स के बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं वो है कोविड-19 की वैक्सीन्स, जो अलग अलग तरह से काम करती हैं। स्पेशली अगर इंडिया में देखा जाए तो देयर आर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ वैक्सीन्स। लेट्स फाइंड आउट कौन सी किस तरह से बनती है और कैसे काम करती है। सबसे पहले लेट्स फाइंड आउट कोविशील्ड, जो इंडिया में पुणे में बनती है, वो किस तरह से बनाई जाती है।
This is basically a viral vector. Vector is generally a carrier agent. Here we are using another virus called the adenovirus. It's a common cold virus. Okay, from the chimpanzees, those adenovirus is taken, and inside this vector, you incorporate the protein spike of the coronavirus. A subunit of the coronavirus is taken, and it is incorporated into this vector.
The other type of vaccine which is made in India is Covaxin. How does that work?
Covaxin is basically an inactivated vaccine. What is an inactivated vaccine? It's a killed vaccine basically. So a sample of coronavirus is actually isolated, and there are certain physical agents through which you kill the virus. And once it is introduced into the body, our body's immune cells, they still recognize the dead virus and they start producing the antibodies. That's how it works.
And then there is Sputnik V, जो कि इंडिया में अब अवेलेबल है। वो कैसे काम करती है?
Sputnik has two formulas of the viral vector. So 2 doses will be administered. The first and the second dose has different adenoviral vectors. So this is the differentiating point from Covishield.
ये तो हो गई अलग अलग तरह की वैक्सीन्स की बात, पर क्या कोई ऐसा डेटा है जिससे कंपेयर किया जा सके कि कौन सी वैक्सीन ज़्यादा बेटर है? ये सवाल बहुत सारे लोगों के दिमाग में रहता है।
There are no head-to-head comparison data whether Covishield is better or Covaxin is better. In terms of efficacy, both Covishield and Covaxin have good safety and efficacy measures, which meet the WHO standards.
वैक्सीन्स के कुछ साइड इफेक्ट्स भी होते हैं, यानी कि जब आप वैक्सीन लेते हैं उसके बाद कुछ सिम्टम्स किक इन करते हैं। Is that something to worry about?
So it means that the vaccine is active inside. It's triggering your immune system.
बहुत सारे केसेस में ये भी देखा गया है कि वैक्सीन का पहला शॉट या फिर दूसरा शॉट भी लेने के बावजूद बहुत सारे लोगों को कोविड-19 हो जाता है। Does taking a vaccine help in these cases?
The severity reduces, their hospitalization stay has reduced, even the death rates have come down.
So all in all, vaccines are safe और सभी को ये ले लेनी चाहिए if they are above the age of 18, unless
there are contraindications. See, contraindications, if you're pregnant, please do not take it. There are some temporary contraindications also, like for example, if someone has tested positive for COVID-19, then the vaccination has to be deferred for at least 4 to 8 weeks.
ये तो बात हो गई कि वैक्सीन बनती कैसे है, काम कैसे करती है, बट हमारे पास कैसे पहुंचती है। To talk about that, I have with me Mr. Kunal Agrawal, who is Director Coolx, इंडिया की सबसे बड़ी healthcare logistics company. And what do these guys do?
Yeah, so we are basically contracted by the manufacturers to distribute primary, secondary and last mile for the vaccine. So currently we already are rolling out, we already started the business of Covishield in Jan and Covaxin, and now we are also doing the Sputnik, which has just landed 2 days ago in India. So we will be distributing that as well. Apart from that, we have forward contracts with Zydus Cadila for their vaccine, for the biologically for their Johnson vaccine, as well as the Pune-based Emcure for their Moderna vaccine. So we are basically aligning with all the vaccine.
End-to-end transportation of this vaccine is not easy because उसको एक specific temperature पे रखना पड़ता है. What are the challenges they are facing for logistics?
See, each vaccine has its own temperature requirements. Now, for example, the Moderna Pfizer is going to move at minus 70 degrees Celsius. The Sputnik is moving at minus 20 degrees Celsius. and the rest of the vaccines are moving between a temperature of 2 to 8. So each vaccine has its own requirement. And of course, it is very challenging because given the size of our country, the size of our population, the numbers, etc., are huge. So if you want to look at just India and you want to vaccinate everyone with 2 doses, then you need at least 3 billion doses. And what happens is that the cold chain cannot be broken or breached anywhere throughout the journey. Right from incubation to consumption, that cold chain has to be maintained, because the minute the vaccine comes out of that temperature range, it loses its efficacy and potency. So what we do is that we carry the vaccines from the manufacturing cold room to either the government state depots or the central state depots, or then now since 1st of May, when the government has started allowing private ordering, we are seeing more of private orders coming up. And then we are doing that last mile for the private orders also, to directly to hospitals or to corporates or to housing societies.
Right now, vaccines are limited in supply. इसकी वजह से बहुत सारी problems हो रही हैं. But enough and more vaccines will be available very soon in the future. When?
I see that by August, an Indian, when you walk into an inoculation center, you would at least have a choice of 4 to 5 vaccines.
By the way, these trucks that are used to transport these vaccines are really high tech.
The trucks are all, made in such a way that they can go from -25 to +25 at any temperature range. We have a fleet of 600 trucks now running across India, so it's we're the largest pharmaceutical player now in India. And given all these factors, we're pretty well equipped to handle this entire vaccination drive, and we're in fact looking forward to it.
Finally, even if you've taken the vaccine, there are some things that you have to take care of.
There are certain norms that has to be followed even after you get vaccinated. You have to wear masks, and then you have to practice social distancing, wash your hands frequently, sanitize them. So all this is there.
I wish you good health. और मैं जानना चाहता हूँ कि आपने वैक्सीन ले ली है या नहीं. Which one? How many shots? Tell me everything. And if you haven't, why not? Let me know in the comments. And I'll see you next time.